Welcome back to Technovation. Let's talk about a sector that is the cornerstone in the U.S. facility services industry, the $26 billion paving and parking lot maintenance market. A subsector of the exterior building services market, paving and parking lot maintenance is almost always outsourced due to the need for specialized equipment and geographical reach. This creates a hub and spoke model for field offices as businesses expand. But here's the kicker. Pavement degrades naturally, creating a predictable aftermarket that's ripe for innovation. For every dollar spent on maintenance, parking lot owners can avoid $4 to $5 in heavy reconstruction costs. That's a compelling reason for facilities clients to invest in disciplined maintenance programs. Innovative pavement companies are going a step further, offering fixed-fee, scheduled maintenance contracts that lock in clients and eliminate cost variability. And guess what? This market is recession indifferent. Whether it's ADA compliance, limiting liability, or simply maintaining curb appeal, facility managers can't afford to defer essential services. By implementing the right technology solution, national and regional pavement businesses can quickly administer reliable, asset-light programs and expand service delivery into more regions. Things like weather tracking can let your teams know ideal times to schedule inspections and/or service. And digital service validation provides you and your customers real-time updates via mobile and web. More visibility into the services your subcontractors provide means less time your call center personnel spends fielding client calls. Another thing that technology can provide is compliance assurance. The good news is that mobile subcontractor management technology enables teams to deliver real-time photographic verification of property condition status and work performed. Technology is enabling pavement companies to manage more jobs efficiently, effectively, and profitably, paving the way for local and regional service providers to expand their service area and their business.